This is a newer IndusCom ICIF-HSC-13. I'm pretty sure. I don't really remember. This is I have a video of one, but it's an older one. Now the difference of the older one and the newer one is, well, this one looks newer, but like, see in the center it just says IndusCom. On the old one it said IC, like there was a black circle in the center and an IC logo in the middle, so it's a little different. It's pretty much the same though in performance. So again, I left the switch from the old fan. Oh, and really, all I had to do with this fan, like, see the top piece? Like, you see how that's a different color? That's because the original one here broke. I'm not sure why it's taking. It wasn't doing that before, but for some reason it is now. Not much of the air movement, like most IndusCom fans. It's fast, very fast. Right, low. I'm not sure why it's ticking. It wasn't doing that before. That's something it never did before. Alright, well that's low. It was a very light amount of air on low, as you'd expect. Alright, now it's time for off. These speeds don't work. I don't know why the AC's doing that all of a sudden. Alright, spin down time. Now this fan has a quick spin down. Like, the bearings are quiet, but it still spins down really quick. It's not even seized, it just spins down all of a sudden. Here's a better look at that broken. I tried holding it back together with tape temporarily. That didn't work. Broke there. The screw hole's broken, so is this one. So that piece had to get replaced. Oh, and by the way, this fan is not light kit attachable. At least I don't think it counts as being light kit attachable. I mean, you could still put a light kit on it, but you'd have to somehow get the center of it out, which you can't do that. It's not screwed down. It's very similar to a KDK. And no, not all of IndusCom fans are KDK ripoffs. That one right there is not a ripoff. Yeah. Alright. Well, I guess now I'll just give you a better look at the fan. The finishes don't match because when I was repainting it, it was slightly yellowed originally. Like, see, the canopies weren't painted. Those are original. It was slightly yellowed, a little bit. The fan's only 4 years old anyway. I mean, I was surprised it yellowed that quick. So I had to use this now spray paint to do the top piece because that was not painted when I got it. But the bottom piece, I already painted that. And I didn't have any more of the paint I used for it, so that's why the finishes don't match. There's no tag on top because as usual, I painted that over. This is original paint. This is the paint that came with the fan. And yeah. And to paint it, I had to peel off the logo and then glue it back on. That's how I preserve logos on fans. In case you didn't know, that's quite obvious. That logo up there is original. That one's never been moved. Alright, so thanks for watching. This was Aircat1234. Thanks for 627 subscribers. Bye.